told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video, I'm doing a small clean with me, and also I'm preparing for my daughter's birthday party. So you guys are gonna see that. This video was filmed about a month ago because I got COVID, so I wasn't able to edit and upload videos. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys all of that. In the morning when I get up, I have to open the curtains, you guys. I cannot start my day if the curtains are closed. I also like to open my windows, obviously not in the winter time, but I cannot start cleaning without that, without music. So that's what I normally do. And right now I had already taken my shower, I got ready, I put on my makeup, and I was ready for the day. So you guys are gonna see that. Also, they had just finished renovating the kitchen, so this is why it's kind of a mess. But later on in the day, my brother-in-law came and helped me, so we moved this table where I have the aquarium, we moved it back in its place.
Why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Those are dishes from the day before. I normally love to wake up to a clean kitchen, and who doesn't? But reality is that most of the time at night I'm so tired that it ends up going in the morning. And since I'm a stay-at-home mom, well, I don't need to get up in the morning and get myself ready to go to work, so I find it less stressful to see like dirty dishes in the sink, because I normally wake up by, I would say, 7 a.m. even if I'm a stay-at-home mom. And yeah, so I end up normally always doing the dishes in the morning.
I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So right now I'm doing these candy cups. I'm using baking cups for this. I found them so cute. I got them at HomeSense. I had done a haul where I had shown them to you guys. But yeah, this was a hit. The girls really loved this idea, and it was really fun to do. And I found it was really cute. A nice presentation for the table.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Right now, you guys, I really enjoyed doing this. I made like a bowl with fruits, and then I also put some non-alcoholic drinks inside, and the girls, they really loved this idea. And later on, you're gonna see my daughter, she was also pouring a sort of a like champagne without alcohol, obviously, and it was really fun when she popped it and it went flying. But it was really fun, you guys.
Like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 Then will you get bored of killing me?
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when...
So here guys, I'm just cutting up the cheese. I'm gonna put it in the oven until it gets all melted and hot, and after that we're gonna eat that with bread, and you're gonna see me later putting the bread in the oven as well. And this is a really big hit with teenagers, I would say. They just really love this, and you guys should try this. Your kids are really gonna love this.
I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way